This bird creeping on the load, kind of cool. Bro, I wonder if he'll actually come and take the fish from you.
Come here, bro. Hey.
Bro, he's getting closer. Wait, I'll see if he'll take mine. You want my catfish? You want the catfish? You want the catfish? Come on, take it, bro. You want the catfish? Come on. Yeah, take it, bro. Out of it. Hey, bro. I got you. Go ahead and take it. Go ahead and take it. Bro, I'm literally fishing for a bird right now. Oh my gosh! He took it! He took it! Whoa! That's it. That's it. Yo. He tried. He tried. No tricks this time. It's all for you, bro. Yeah, go ahead. We ain't here. Take your line. Look, go ahead, bro. We ain't doing nothing.
Enjoy yourself, brother.
Yeah, go ahead and take it. You know you want it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy